welcome back to this course. And as you know that in the last video I gave you a simple task to create a calculator. So if some of you have completed the task, then it's very good, and if you have faced any problem, then in this video I will code the calculator myself. So let's start coding. So first I will create a function which is the name called calculator, and it will take three different arguments. The first is the operator, which is of type string, and the second argument, which is of type double, and the third argument, which is also of type double. So basically this operator will tell us whether we want to multiply, add, subtract or divide two different numbers, and this is the first number, and this is the second number. So now let's write the function body. So inside the function, what we will do, we will use if else, which is the conditional logic in Swift programming language. So what I will do is if op is equal to, let's say, for addition it should be a, or op equal to capital A, because the user can pass small or capital A both. Then this is the first condition. Else if, now it will have the second condition, op equal to, let's say for subtraction it should be s, or op equal to capital S. Now the third else if condition, op equal to, let's now do for multiplication. Now we will have the fourth condition, which will be for division. Now we will have the last condition, in which if suppose say user have provided some wrong arguments, then we can show an error. So we will print please provide correct operator. This is an error. Okay, so now let's code our first condition. So inside this, what we have to do is, if this condition is true, it means we have to add two different numbers. So let answer equal to first plus second, and then we can print addition, and by string interpolation we can print the answer. Now similarly we will code the second else if condition. If this is true, it means we have to subtract two different number. So we can do first minus second, and now we can print the result using the same above method that we have used. Now by string interpolation we will print answer. Now let's code the third one. So if op equal to m, it means we have to multiply two different numbers. So the procedure is basically same, we only have to use different symbols. This was the third condition. Now let's do it for fourth condition. So in this, if op equal to d, it means we have to divide both numbers, and then we have to print it using a simple print statement. So as you can see that we have completely coded our calculator, which has four different functions: addition, subtraction, division and multiplication. So now let's see whether this function is working correctly or not. So let's try for all four different functions. First we will do addition of two different numbers. We will call the function calculator, and let's pass a. The first number is 10 and the second number is 20. Let's see whether it's working or not. Here you can see that we have got the output addition 30. It means addition is working fine. Now let's try for subtraction. Let's say 100 and let's say 200. Let's see what the answer we should get. Okay, so now you can see that it is giving us minus 100. It means it is also working correctly. Now let's try for multiplication. Let's try 10.25 into 5.25. So let's see, the output is 53.85. I think it's hard to calculate, so we can cross check it on Google if you want, but yes, the multiplication would be correct. Now let's try for division. So the argument would be small d or capital D. Let's divide 100 by 20 and let's see what is the output. So you can see that the division is 5, which is correct. So it means our calculator is working correctly. So this was a basic simple calculator using Swift 3, and now from the next video we will start by learning some aspects of developing iOS applications. See you in the next video.